Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share an Instagram page with a friend or save it for later, you'll be glad to know that copying a page link on Instagram using your PC is now easier than ever thanks to the latest update. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can quickly grab any Instagram page link and share it wherever you like. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your details and access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Instagram homepage, ready to explore. Next, use the search bar at the top to find the page you want to share. This could be your favorite creator, a brand you love, or simply a friend's profile. Type in the username or the name of the account, then click on the correct result from the list that appears. Now that you're on the page you want, look toward the top right corner of the profile. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. From the menu that pops up, select Share To. This will open up additional sharing choices. Here, you'll see an option labeled Copy Link. Click on Copy Link, and just like that, the link to the Instagram page is copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere you want, whether it's in a message to a friend, an email, or another social media platform. Simply right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. That's all it takes. With this simple process, you can share any Instagram page link quickly and effortlessly. Give it a try the next time you find a page worth sharing and enjoy connecting with others in just a few clicks.